sign my team.
What does it say?
Just sign it.
Nick, tell me now.
It'll make you the king of all turtle.
Yeah, but I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, suckers. I think we've been tricked. These don't match up.
Yep, you're right. This one doesn't match up.
The only thing this is good for is toilet paper.
So what are you going to do?
First, I'm going to the toilet, then I'm going to cut down this stupid flagpole. It's ugly and I hate it. Ah, that's better. Now to chop down that flagpole.
Good luck. Have a nice day. Hey, someone chopped down our flag. We have to put up a new one. Someone chopped down our flagpole. There are people coming from the back of us. Where are you going this last minute?
I have to chop that stupid flagpole down for the 4th time. It's ugly and I hate it.
Okay then, good luck. But why do you have 600 people waiting outside for you?
They've had enough of it too. I'm going to start a war.
Okay then, don't get shot now. Dinner will be ready at 5 o'clock. We're having dog on toast. You know you hate cold dog. Try and be here on time.
Okay, I'll bring back some pudding. Pakea, eyeballs and smoked feet.